Hi, this is Jewel with Jewel's Remedies. You can find me on Facebook at Jewel's Remedies and then online. Today, I am sharing my recipe for a drink that I take at the first sign of a scratchy throat or when I have a little bit of sinus congestion. And the star of this recipe is apple cider vinegar, raw local honey, another star, cayenne pepper to really get those sinuses draining, and then fresh lemon juice. If you have bottled, go ahead and use it. That's fine as well. So I've already been sipping on my drink here, and if what you see in the bottom of that cup is the mother from your organic apple cider vinegar. So you'll take a cup of warm water, add a third a cup of the apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of the honey. I do 1/8 of a teaspoon, so I have this a 1/4 teaspoon measure, and I just put half in there of the cayenne pepper. And today I have fresh lemon, so I squeeze a half of the lemon juice into the mix it up, drink, you're good to go. What you'll feel, or what I feel, is usually when I start sipping on this, the back of my throat gets a little warm from drinking it, and then definitely I notice a difference in my sinus congestion. Had I started this video before drinking, you probably wouldn't be able to understand what I was saying. As you may notice, these lemons have already been peeled because as a bonus, I always save my lemon peels for different products, whether it be household cleaner, but today I'm also going to use the lemon peels with the apple cider vinegar to make a facial toner, and I'll share that recipe on another video. But today, before I retire to bed, I wanted to show this quick, easy remedy for stuffy nose and congestion. Let me know how you like it. I know you either hate or love apple cider vinegar, so you can share your comments below. Enjoy. Good night.